I run over to the bear, and the first thing I think to do is to push the bear off the ledge it's standing on. Do not push bears, do not get close to bears. You do not want to get unlucky. I just happened to come out unscathed.